This is Chucky.
As a doll, I'm infamous.
And today we're gonna give him a killer makeover and try and make him way scarier than he already is. We'll give him real scars and stitches, new hair, and use lots and lots of fake blood. And at the end of the video, we're gonna invite some mystery YouTuber friends over to judge how scary it is. To get started, we plugged Chucky in, and right away, there was a huge problem.
What's wrong with his face? Half his face isn't working. His eyes are crooked and his eyelids aren't moving at all. These sold out instantly. We can't get another one.
Luckily, there was a phone number where we could call for help.
Yeah, it's the CHUCKY Animatronic, and like half his face doesn't move.
Yeah, but now you gotta fill all the stockings up with.
Okay.
I don't know what he's doing.
They're gonna send us a totally new head.
Really?
Yeah. I just hope it gets here in time.
So that means we can take this head apart.
It looks like this servo right here is the one that's not working. It's crazy that it's easier for them to send us a whole new head than to try to replace this one little part, but I guess that makes sense.
Hey, at least we have a bunch of spare parts now.
Yeah, we could definitely use this for something.
One of my goals for Chucky is to give him that stitched up, scarred look. So we're doing some tests on the broken head. But as usual, we ran into another issue right away.
What's the matter?
Well, I'm gonna need to glue his skin back down, but nothing is working. I tried super glue, I tried hot glue, I tried rubber cement. It says rubber cement. This is rubber, it should stick. It doesn't stick. Okay, I think it's made from TPE rubber, which is this special kind of material that needs special glue. Like it's similar to silicone, so I think we're gonna have to order something. We overnighted some glue. It says TPE right here, so we're gonna test it and hopefully it works. It sticks, it works. The next thing I want to try is to make his eyebrows just a little more like sinister and angry looking. Like they got the shape face of this pretty good, but the expression is just not there yet. So my goal here is to sculpt something I can put underneath the rubber to make his eyebrows just look meaner. To do that, we want to raise up the eyebrows slightly and then pull down the middle and try and add some creases to make it all look scrunched up. Piece is dry, so we're gonna put it in and see what it looks like here. How's it look?
I think it looks great. The brows came up a little higher. He still needs to look like more, you know, angry.
Yeah, well on the real head we'll actually glue the skin down and that'll make that crease and give him that sinister, evil expression.
Look what I got.
What is it?
It's Chucky's new head. Look at that.
It looks like Chucky's head.
Let's test it out.
As a doll, I'm infamous. I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history.
Okay, we're back in business. The eyes work, the eyelids work, like everything's good to go.
What do you think? Should I be a ginger?
Wait. Okay, let's start this shot over again. Ready?
Okay.
Here we go.
It's like our child now.
Stop making it weirder.
Even though the hair doesn't look that bad, we got a new wig in hopes that we can make it look better, but that part's gonna come a little bit later.
For now, I gotta rip this old one off again.
Now we have 2 bald Chuckies.
And 3 red-haired wigs.
It's a party over here.
That is nice.
He's beautiful.
Very nice. Our friends Evan and Caitlin have a huge YouTube channel. They make amazing stuff. They're super talented. And on Friday, we're going to a haunted house with them. So we asked them if they'd come by ahead of time and look at Chucky and judge if we made him scarier or not. So the pressure's on.
I think I'm ready. This is the real head, and it's a little scary because I can't make any mistakes, but we're gonna go for it.
Oh, that already looks so much better.
Angry eyes.
Oh, look at that. He looks so mean now.
He looks amazing. I am so happy with how he turned out. I'm gonna do the stitches later, but first we have to add some more stuff. Since we have all this extra hair, I'm gonna use it to try and give him some actual eyebrows. I'm not being too fancy here, just basically gluing down clumps of hair, and I think it's gonna work pretty good. There, eyebrows.
While it dries, look what we got.
Yeah.
Side quest time.
Oh yeah.
Look at this thing. Look at the detail on that thing.
This is a wall sconce model that we downloaded, and you might remember it from our Barbie dream house where we made little tiny ones. And we always wanted a big one.
If you've thought about getting into 3D printing but aren't ready to buy a printer, JLC 3DP is an on-demand printing service, which is where we got this. We met them at Open Sauce this year and loved their stuff, and they were cool enough to sponsor this video. This is their full color resin printing, and as you can see, incredible detail. Like, it's literally flawless.
We could hang this up as is, but I kind of want to paint it first.
Even if you have a 3D printer, there are certain things that are just hard to print well, like this thing. And these guys help you get around that. They'll print in whatever material you want: resin, plastic, nylon, metal. They can do multicolor, and they even do surface finishing if you want, so they'll sand, paint, whatever custom spec you need. They have a streamlined website where you can upload your 3D model, choose your materials, and get an instant quote. Production time is as fast as 24 hours and delivery as fast as 2 days. So yeah, it's quick. That looks amazing.
Thank you. It's so much more fun and just easier to paint when you start off with something really nice.
JLC 3DP's pricing starts at just 30 cents, and new users can get up to $60 in coupons. Also, they're celebrating their 3rd anniversary event right now with even more benefits. Check them out using the link below, and you can finally get some amazing 3D printing done.
So I'm getting ready to paint, really excited about it, but because this is this weird TPE rubber stuff, I had to get new paints, which is cool, but also kind of scary. But luckily we have a test head, so I'm gonna try the paints out on the test head and I'll play around, see how it goes. It's gonna work, yeah. A little bit goes a long way, so I have to have a light touch with it, but it blends pretty nicely.
Look at that. That thing
He's so good.
is so
I
good.
love it. He's angry and bloody and got a black eye, and I think this is the first time we've actually painted any sort of blood on the channel. So it's exciting.
It's a momentous day.
It is. Still have to do the stitches, but there's a few more things we gotta do first.
Have you ever noticed how weird Chucky's hairline is?
It's super strange. It comes way out in front and then comes really far back.
How are you gonna make that with a wig? We gotta glue it on first though, right?
No, we have to cut it first and then we'll glue it on.
I knew that.
I think it goes like right around there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good.
That's awesome.
So how do we...
Well,
do we
let's
just
glue
it?
the front first, so it's like attached, and then
and then
we'll
kinda work
glue
our-
around. Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay. Good thing we got this special glue that sticks to this
Yeah.
rubber. Okay, that's like way cooler start than I thought.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of have hair envy here. I wish my hair was this long and luxurious.
The bad part though is we have to cut it. And if you've seen our videos before, you know that we have a thing with cutting hair.
You don't have a lot of experience with hair, do you? Having it, cutting it.
Why is this side so much longer?
I don't know. It certainly is a haircut.
What if I brush it?
So we called in the expert. Sarah helped us a ton on our Harry Potter Dementor project, so I'm hoping you can work your magic on this one too. So we glued the hair on. What do you think we should do next?
Right, so I already went in and did a little pre-volumizing. We want to make sure the hair is at the right length before we go in and do the cut. So now that we kind of have the right style, we're going to go in and chop, chop, chop.
Chucky's never looked so good. This is freaking amazing.
Well, lucky for us, he didn't really have a couture haircut to begin with.
I feel like he's ready for the runway or something.
No,
He's
no
in a-
runway, maybe like, you know, trick-or-treat, runway. And I already went ahead and styled him, so don't touch it. No more touching. Touch
Okay.
around. We do not touch the masterpiece.
Okay. All right, thank you so much.
You're
We will,
welcome.
Call you again on our next hair project.
Anytime.
A lot of times we'll get new clothes for our makeovers that are more realistic and less synthetic looking, but because Chucky is actually a doll come to life, his clothes looking like doll clothes is okay. So we just need to weather them and make them a little bit dirtier.
Although, to their credit, they did make these kind of weathered already.
They actually did, but I'm just gonna take it a little further. First, I'm gonna use the steamer so they don't look straight out of the factory with all these weird wrinkles and creases. Next, we'll use some dark paints and just kind of naturally add some dirty spots and make him look like he's been through, 7 movies and a TV show.
On our way to hang out with the Wicked Makers, and they said we should come a little bit early because they want us to react to something.
We don't know what it is. I'm slightly nervous and also excited.
I'm excited.
Right. Look at that.
Evan and Caitlin are gonna be here any minute, so before then, we just wanna say thanks to y'all for watching.
We appreciate you guys so much. Let us know who you want to see next in the comments, and until next time, stay wicked.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
Oh
my God.
Yes. That is
He's
awesome.
big!
I am Chucky, the killer dog, and I dig it. There is a limit to how much I can take.
Oh my God,
Oh wow.
that's awesome.
That's the weirdest. That's the craziest part. That's the creepiest part. Oh, what the heck?
Oh, geez.
Have they not hired you yet? I mean, they did a lot of good work with the animatronic part like that. Good base, but
The outside was severely lacking.
that before and after is so
Yeah.
much better. Mission accomplished. Now, have you turned off all the lights in here and just lit him from behind yet?
No, because I don't want nightmares.
I'll be back. I always come back. I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history. I am Chucky, the killer dog, and I dig it.
If you love horror like us, you'll probably like this video where we turn a Spirit Halloween animatronic into Ghostface from Scream. Check it out and let us know.